Kung naghahanap ka ng condo investment na perfect for Airbnb business, let me introduce to you the Camden Place. Unang-una, ang location. Malapit ito sa top universities tulad ng De La Salle University, St. Benilde at Arellano University. Perfect for students, parents, at visiting professors. Pagdating naman sa establishments, sobrang convenient. You're near University Mall, Robinsons Manila, at SM Mall of Asia. Kaya plus points talaga sa Airbnb guest. Tourist-ready din ang location, just minutes away from Star City, Manila Ocean Park, Manila Bay, at Manila Zoo. Ideal for staycations at tourists na gustong easy access sa mga pasyalan. Pagdating naman sa transportation, walang problema. Malapit ito sa LRT1, Vito Cruz Station at mabilis lang ang access papuntang NAIA Airport. Very attractive for local at foreign guests. Now, let's talk about amenities. The Camden Place offers skydeck pool, sky lounge area, co-working space, fitness gym, entertainment area, snack bar, at open lounge. Mga hinahanap talaga ng Airbnb guest ngayon. Hassle-free living din dito dahil may in-house convenience store, water station, at laundry area. Mas convenient for guests, mas maganda ang reviews. At ang pinaka-exciting part, for as low as 16,000 monthly, pwede ka nang mag-start ng investment. With an estimated Airbnb daily rate for 2,000 to 3,000, may solid potential for income ka na. Lalo na sa peak seasons. Gusto mo rin ba magkaroon ng Airbnb business kagaya nito? Yung kumikita ka kahit tulog at swak sa students, tourists at business travelers. So, kung gusto mo ng condo investment na hindi lang tirahan, kundi income-generating property, the Camden Place is a smart choice for Airbnb investors. Message me for more info and let's start building your Airbnb business today. I'm Marie Bulan, your property consultant at DMCI Homes.